Good morning, children. Welcome back to the fourth session of our SS class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. Do you remember what we have studied in the previous class? Yeah, we have studied about interdependence, isn't it? Interdependence. What's the meaning of interdependence? What's the meaning of interdependence? It is depending on others. Why do we depend others? We depend others for their services. Different persons are doing different services to us in our daily life. Those things and all we have discussed in the previous classes very clearly. Now, today we are moving into another topic, that is essential services. Do you know the meaning of essential? Essential. What is mean by essential? Essential means inevitable, or simple words we can say always needed. Some services we needed always. That is called essential services. So before moving into the lesson or before moving into our topic, I will show you some pictures. See this picture. Can you see it very clearly? See. One picture is this one. What all things you can see here? Observe it. Another picture is this one. Two pictures. Okay. Now, my next question is, do you like to have such a kind of places in your locality? Do you like to have such a kind of garbage places, or garbages are dumped in one side, and you have seen, you observed many things. My question is, do you like to have such a kind of place in your locality or nearby your house? No. Yes, very good. Answer is definitely no. What is the reason? Why did you say no? That is what I want to know. Why did you say no? Yeah, very good. It is first reason is so much smelling. Very bad smell. That is the first and most important reason is very much smell. We can't move to that area. Again, any more other reasons? Yeah, very good. Different kinds of insects like mosquitoes, insects like mosquitoes and houseflies will be there. Insects like mosquitoes, housefly, and other animals like rats, street dogs, etc. will be in that area, and they will create lots of trouble to us. And these mosquitoes and housefly spreading different kinds of diseases to us, like dengue fever, rat fever, etc. etc. So because of these two reasons, we don't like to have such a kind of place in our area. First one is smell. Second one is insects. So because of these two reasons, no one likes to have such a kind of an area in our place. But when we move outside, we could see these kind of areas here and there. Isn't it? You have seen these kinds of areas. If we go to some other places in town areas, or we can see these kinds of places. Then have you ever thought of who cleans these things? Who cleans these things? Have you seen people, those who are cleaning this one? Or when we go to Calicut or big cities or here and there, we can see people are cleaning the street. And these kinds of places, people are collecting the garbages. Have you ever thought of the work done by them? Yeah, their service is very essential for us, or urgently needed for us. If those people are not there, what would be the condition? The persons, those who are collecting the garbage, is known as a garbage collector. Garbage collector. And the persons, those who are cleaning the street, is known as a sweepers. sweepers. If those two type of persons are not there, what would be our condition? Our streets will be filled with different kinds of things, chocolate wrappers or leaves or many things, and the garbage areas will be filled with different kinds of wastes. From people are throwing this and that, and it will be full of wastes, and all kinds of insects will be there, and which causes different kinds of diseases to us. So these people are doing a very great services for us. These people are doing a very great services for us. Now let me ask another question. What do they do with these garbages? This garbage collectors in big cities and towns, we could see early morning they go house to house and collecting the garbages. And have you ever thought of what do they do with these garbages? These garbages they are collecting and carrying into some other areas, and from there they are separating biodegradable and non-biodegradable. That means mixing with some wastes will be mixing with the soil. Some waste may not be mixed with the soil. So the wastes which is mixing with the soil will be changed as manure for plants, and other things they will be destroying. These are the things they are doing with these garbages. When we move to the town, we could see early morning municipality vehicle is coming, and these garbage collectors are collecting the garbages from house by house and dumping into the vehicle, and that vehicle is carrying this one, and they are doing separating and making as manure or destroying the other things. These are the works done by the garbage collectors. Have you observed that municipality vehicles? Morning we can see in the street, we can see in big towns and all. This municipality vehicle is going and collecting the garbages. See, now already I said, without these people, we can't imagine the condition of our state, our areas. They are doing a very great service to for ourselves or our locality. So we must pay respect to them. Some people think that the work of garbage collectors and sweepers are dirty. Do you agree with that? No, it's absolutely wrong, isn't it? Without these garbage collectors and sweepers, we can't live, especially in town and big cities. In village areas, okay, we ourselves are destroying our waste by burning or doing some other things we ourselves doing. But in town and other big areas, their help is very essential or urgently needed. Without the help of these people, town areas conditions can't be imagined. We can't imagine the condition of town area without the help of these people. That much important their work. And actually we must pay great respect to these people. But what is happening? We are not at all paying any attention or not at all giving any respect to these people, and we are respecting some other people. We may think that, oh, they are doing a great job, so I should respect some engineers or doctors or other people, and these people every day they are picking up the garbages from here and there, so their work is not good and the other work is good. It's not like that. All the work has its own dignity. Every work has its own dignity. What's mean by dignity? What's mean by dignity? Dignity means value. All the work has got its own value. We can't say that work is good and this work is bad. Every work has got its own value. So we must respect all the workers. Previous classes already we discussed, and today also we discussed, they are doing services for us. So as a reward for their services, whatever services it may be, as a reward for their services, we can respect to them. We can respect them. Gandhiji said, according to Gandhiji, what Gandhiji said, every work which do not harm us directly has its own dignity. Every work which do not harm us directly has its own dignity. Already I said what is the meaning of dignity? It is value. So keep in mind, whatever work we do, everyone cannot become engineers, or everyone cannot be professors, or everyone cannot be teachers. But the society needs all the people. No society will be running with only engineers, or only doctors, or teachers, or lawyers. The society needs, or the nation needs, all these people. The society or the nation needs farmers, teachers, lawyers, IT professions, garbage collectors, sweepers, farmers. Everybody's service is needed. So no service is exempted from that. All the services are good. That is why that services which do not harm others. Harm means, what's mean by harm? Affect others, or bad way affecting. The services which do not harm others has got its own value, its own dignity. So try to respect the people, those who are doing service for us. Different services they are doing for us in different way. Our duty is to respect them and treat them in a better way or good way. Don't insult them. When we see some people, we can see the garbage collectors, people are insulting. Oh, that person, what is he doing early morning going and collecting the wastes? But if one day such a kind of person is not there to collect the garbage, what will be the condition? So these sweepers and garbage collectors are doing a very great service for us, especially in the town and cities. So we must respect and take care of them. Don't insult them. Don't say this and that to them. Pay respect and give care to them. And we must try to appreciate their work. Everybody can't do this work, isn't it? Some people are there. If anyone offers a high salary also, we won't go and do this work. So everyone can't do this work. So those who are doing these kinds of work, our duty is to take care and appreciate them for their great service. Okay. So with this, we are going to conclude our lessons. Our block 2 is over. We have learned many things from block 2. Services, different person services, how we are benefiting from different persons services. Whatever things we learned in the previous class, don't forget, okay? Keep it in your mind and listen all those things, learn all those things, read the textbook. Then what else? Read the textbook, write the answers and study, okay? Okay. So I will give you some homeworks for you to do. I think already you have done S1 block 2, S1 and S2. Now S3 and S4 is remaining, and the practice questions from page number 12. Is it clear? S1 and S2 you might have completed. I hope so. Now S3 and S4 and practice questions from page number 12. Before also I reminded you, not only writing and keeping, go through the answers and learn and practice that one in your daily life. Okay. So we will be meeting again with our next block. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.